Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. I'm Dr. Chip Szymanski. I've been a chiropractor for 20 years. Today's topic is about how to determine if your shoulder pain is actually coming from your rotator cuff or not. Most of the time when people have shoulder pain itself, they automatically jumps right into, oh geez, I probably have a rotator cuff, issue. Either is it a tendonitis or a torn rotator cuff, right? So typically, if you have a rotator cuff issue, you're gonna have limited range of motion for the most part because of pain, right? Now with Miranda here, she has really good external rotation and really good internal rotation. So what that tells us is that, again, most likely the rotator cuff is not an issue for her. And typically it's hard for people to decipher what that is, right? So the easiest way for me to help you guys to trying to determine what that is to walk you through a couple of steps on how to manage other muscle that can be causing shoulder pain. In this case here, we're actually going to be targeting the bicep and the tricep. Both the bicep and the tricep does have referral pain right into the shoulder joint. Okay, so when you don't have any loss of range of motion with regard to external rotation or internal rotation, if you don't have any of those loss on them, most likely it's going to be coming from other sources. So what I want you people to do is that to release the bicep. Now, first thing that we want you guys to check is to make sure that you have good wrist extension here. Typically, if you have good wrist extension here, that means that you're stretching the forearm muscle here. You're also stretching the bicep. Now, if you cannot do this, that tells you your forearm is tight. And if your forearm is tight, I can guarantee you, if you're working out or doing repetitive sports, your bicep is also going to be tightened up. Okay, and this here will cause refer pain right into the shoulder itself. Okay, now going back to the tricep. The tricep, of course, attaches right up into the shoulders back through here. Okay, so oftentimes what we have patients do is to strip these muscle, the tricep muscle here, right in the back of the arm here. Okay, and when you do this here, if you have a referral pain that goes into the shoulder, you will feel it right away. So again, the pain will refer deep into the shoulder. So those are the two muscles that you really want to strip. So I'm going to walk you guys through on how and where to strip the muscle out. Okay, so first thing is to have your palm facing up. Okay, and again, your biceps are right here. You want to just go right into the mid belly here and find that and just put pressure directly through here. Okay, and that's going to help to really release the bicep. And oftentimes, if you have any sorts of tightness, it's going to be sore. But if you have tightness that refers to the shoulder pain, you're going to feel it right deep into the shoulder right away. Okay, so again, it's direct pressure. You can do some effleurage like this, but I'd rather have you guys put deep pressure. The more painful it is, the better, the quicker you're going to heal up based upon your tolerance. You're always going to go by based upon your tolerance. If you're going to tolerate a 7, go for a 6. If you're going to tolerate a 3, then go for a 2, right? So again, never want to damage by going, of course, too much. Typically, if it's too much, if you can tolerate only a 5, too much means you're going to be doing it into a 7 or 8. Okay. With regard to the tricep, you definitely want to bend your elbow. Okay. I think it's easier for me. Sometimes we do have people doing it. Wow. It's thunder and raining and lightning out there. Sometimes we do have. I do have patients keeping their elbow straight when they're lying on their stomach, and we can access the area. But with Miranda here, face up here, all I want you guys to do is have the elbow bend like that, and you're gonna come straight down from the elbow, and you're gonna release right into the base of the elbow and all the way up into the shoulder right there. And again, you're gonna feel refer pain right deep into the shoulder when it's caused by either the tricep or the bicep. So thanks for joining us, everyone, and please subscribe to our channel and like our video, and please let us know if you guys have any other topics you want us to discuss. Thanks.